Finally, the game you've been waiting for a long time. MetaBrawl is here, and the pre-sale is hot and loaded. Your favorite characters all in the game for a play-to-earn game. It's here. Now, the pre-sale is hot and loaded, and I'm going to show you that in a few minutes, but this is your favorite meme coin characters inside of a game waiting to brawl, and I'll show you how you can sign up right now. The pre-sale is here. It's a utility token for the upcoming MetaBrawl video game. Do not wait till launch day. You want to go ahead and get your positions right now. 100 million supply for the Brawl game. 50% of the total supply is allocated to the pre-sale. And check this out on the key details. Minimum funding goal, maximal goal. So that means it's room to grow. The hard cap is 50 ETH. Which meaning they got room to grow here as well. And of course, they're going to have the Wolverine holder exclusive rate, 15% discount. So if you're Wolverine holder, you're going to like this because this game is hot. It's so hot, I called the fire department to tell them to put out the fire with the water. I'm telling you, this game here, I like all the characters. You got Pepe, you got Wolverine, you got Volt in you, you got Sheba, you have Hulk in you, and much, much more. Have you checked out the website on this? This looks like a game you will buy in the store right now. But the difference of this, it's a play-to-earn game. So you can earn while you play. Earn as you play. You can look at this here. This looks good, and there's more things to come with this. And if I go to the website, and I'm getting all this stuff really from the website, or I would say the X page, this stuff looks really good here. MetaBrawl, the ultimate play-to-earn brawler where crypto meme coins clash together here. And one more look at this, something big is also in store for this game. So when you sign up, expect some magic happening. Not the magic that you look at in Disney World, the magic in crypto, because anything can happen in crypto, and crypto has been exploding lately or getting ready to explode. So enjoy the pre-sale. I would go ahead and click on the link below around this video. I have the actually form link around this video in the description. Click on here and contribute right now. Go ahead and put your ETH in there. Get an ETH ready and go ahead and get signed up for it, because look at this. Public pre-sale, 1 ETH, you get that many brawl, okay? If you're Wolverine, you get exclusive pre-sale. So if you're a Wolverine holder, you already get an exclusive deal already. Now, if you go look at this here, it looks like the pre-sale ends Thursday, December 26th. Just understanding, you ain't got that much time left. You want to act now because the public sale is that Friday, December 27th here. To me, I will go ahead and act now because this thing is potentially expected to go up. In a game like this, people are going to be ready to rock and roll. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Check out the X page, check out the Telegram group, and also check out some of the video artwork that you're seeing here. I know you've been seeing a little bit around here in terms of the X page of this. MetaBrawl is the game that's coming to a theater near you. This is the type of game I will play on the toilet. This is the type of game I literally will play laying down in the bed watching Matlock. Yes, check it out right now. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I'm the captain. Go ahead, read through all the information. Make sure you send your ETH to the right place and enjoy the tokens. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next video. MetaBrawl.